Sa Action Sports, tila nagkampiyon na ang Gilas Pilipinas matapos ipatikim sa defending champion na Iran ang una nitong pagkatalo sa FIBA Asian Championship simula pa noong 2011. Umaaksyon si Lynn Olivario.
Simula pa lang ng laban, pinatunayan ni Andre Blatch na hindi problema ang kanyang bukong-bukong na nanakit kahapon kontra Japan. Nilabanan niya si reigning MVP Hamed Haddadi sa ilalim ng basket.
He's shooting off the first pass.
Ipinamalas din ni Jason Castro ang kanyang bilis ng lusutan ng Iranians ng 3 beses para lumamang ng 6.
Castro's 3. That makes the mark. 6-point lead para sa Gilas Pilipinas with a shot.
Pero napaliit ito ng Iran at lumamang sa pagtatapos ng first quarter 25-22. Sa second quarter, nakadikit ang Gilas sa Gilas play kung saan nakashoot si Terrence Romeo.
Out to Romeo, open from 3. He delivers this time. Peak in action brought to us by Peak from Afi Taulava.
Yun nga lang, lumabas sa 8 turnovers ng Gilas para umakyat sa siya malamang ng defending champs. Napatay lang ito sa 3 ni Ranidel de Ocampo sa halftime 37-43.
Knocks that one down just in time.
We needed that.
Sa third quarter, naging 10 lamang ng Iran sa pangunguna ni Captain Samadnika Barami. Pero dito naka 9-0 run ang Gilas nang humataw si The Blur na naka 26 points.
Jason Castro anticipating.
At naitabla sa 52-all ni Dondon Antiveros.
Finally, and that's very important because we have tied the ball.
Dinagdagan pa yan ni Terrence Romeo sa kanyang back-to-back threes para maagawan lamang 65-60.
It's a 3-point shot.
Chief player of the game brought to you by Shell. Castro.
Sa payoff period, pinag-igting ng Gilas ang depensa. Lumabas sa 16 turnover ng Iran sa depensa ni Calvin Abueva at steal si Castro. Umakyat sa 10 lamang ng Gilas at sa last 4 minutes, na-foul out si Hamed Haddadi na naka 10 puntos lang. Hindi na nakalapit pa sa Pilipinas ang Iran.
More important than the shot, actually.
The spinning pull-up ni Jason Castro. A whirling dervish in the lane gets another. Try to go for a basket.
Natapos ang laban 87-73 para matalo ng Pilipinas ang defending champion na Iran.
And the Philippines defeats Iran.
Huling tinalo ng Pilipinas ang Iran noong 2012 Jones Cup at noong 2010 FIBA Asia Cup. Nabasag din ng 13-game winning streak sa FIBA Asia Championship ng Iran. Ang huling tumalo sa kanila noong 2011 na Jordan, si Baldwin din ang coach.
Think about it in those terms. You know, for me, it's just an important game in terms of where we're trying to get placed in this tournament. I don't think there was any way to predict that game and how it was going to go. But we just kept sticking to the game planning. You know, it worked for us in the end, attacking their perimeter defense. We kind of strangled them in the fourth quarter. They couldn't score.
Dahil sa panalo ang mga tanggila sa top spot ng Group E at posibleng maiwasang makaharap ang host na China sa knockout round. Pero bukas, makakalaban nila ang India na unang tumalo sa Palestine.
There was a lot of humility in the locker room after the game. I think the guys took the lead on that, and they were all saying, look, our job isn't done. We don't want this to be the highlight of the tournament. India is real big, and we're not. But they're getting more experienced every tournament and every game. And they present, a barrier to us. And we've got to knock that barrier down.
Posibleng makaharap ng Gilas sa knockout stage ang South Korea, Qatar, Lebanon o Jordan. Umaaksyon, Lynn Olivario, News 5.
Be sure to come back. News 5 everywhere. Copyright 2015.